Okay, welcome. We're here to demonstrate the Speedway Instruments microSpeed speedometer. One of the unique features of this speedometer is the ability for the customer to preset the initial odometer reading. This happens at the very first power-up stage, and you're able to program the initial odometer reading only once, and thereafter it will be updated only by the movement of the motorcycle. When you first install the speedometer for the very first time, when you power it up, it will start off with this display which says that it's in the odometer set mode, and in order to go ahead and do the set, we can press and hold the screen for 3 seconds, and what this does is it shows the digit number followed by the value. This dot on the bottom is the increment mode indicator. When the light is off, it's in a decrement mode, so when we tap the screen it will increment the value. When we press and hold for 3 seconds, it will change to decrement mode. The light goes out and now it will decrement. So what we want to do for this demonstration is go ahead and preset this odometer to 21,416 miles. And we'll do this by setting to increment mode and setting the first digit to 6. To move on to the next digit, we'll press and hold for 6 seconds. And we're going to set digit number 2, which would be 1. So now we would be setting to 16. Press and hold for 6 seconds. Now we're going to set digit number 3 for 400 miles. Press and hold for 6 seconds. And we're going to set this to 1 for 1,000 miles. Press and hold for 6 seconds. Now we're going to set this for 20, it's for 20,000 miles. Press and hold for 6 seconds. Oops, not quite enough. So now what we want to do is go to decrement mode. Now we have the value we want. Alright, so now this is the last digit, which would be hundreds of thousands of miles. We're not going to set this value, so we'll leave it at 0. Press and hold for 6 seconds. Okay, now what it's going to do is go through a display so you can check your results and confirm it at the end. So that way, if you've made a mistake or you want to start over, you could power off the motorcycle and turn it back on, and you would start from the beginning. So to show the next screen, we press and hold for 3 seconds. And again, this is showing the first 3 digits of the odometer reading. The light on the left side here indicates that it's the first 3 digits, so this would be 21,000. If we press and hold for 3 seconds, it'll show the last 3 digits, and notice the indicator shifted to the other side there. So now we have this set for 21,416 miles. And this is exactly what we wanted to set it to. If this was incorrect, we would shut off the motorcycle and start all over. But since this is the proper value, we'll go ahead and press and hold for 6 seconds. And the screen goes off, and that tells you that it's confirmed and and you're done. So what you'll do is you'll turn off the motorcycle and turn it back on, and then it would be configured. This concludes this demonstration. We'll have other videos showing standard operating modes and how to go through the calibration and configuration. Thank you, and once again, this is the microSpeed speedometer from Speedway Instruments.